Meta is apparently capturing keystrokes and usage data from their employees. It kind of freaks me out a little bit. It's an initiative called the Model Capability Initiative, and it was disclosed last week. So what it essentially means is that software is being installed on Meta's employees' computers in the US, where they will track everything that they do when they move across platforms online, through Facebook's and Meta's own things, through Google and other places where they do things, to track productivity. They want to make sure that they understand how people are using computers, and they do that to train AI to replace them at their work. They're saying that they want humans to help the AI improve, but it is clearly a way to just get rid of people. Meta is getting rid of 8,000 people just now. This is the designed outcome of what they're doing. They're trying to just get rid of people because that's an easy win. So instead of trying to improve the world and create solutions for people that are better, the solution is to just get rid of people. So in the same news cycle, we have layoffs. We have surveillance of workers in order to create AI models to replace even more workers. But we also have huge compensation packages being paid out to Meta executives. This isn't even surveillance in order to make people more productive. It's surveillance in order to replace people, to train the AI to do their work. They're looking at you to understand how the machine can do what you do, but better. And if we look at what Meta is doing in their other business units, we have the Meta glasses. So now they're not only able to surveil their workers in their own offices, they're also surveilling everyone in public spaces. What I would like to know is this just unique to Meta, or is this something that is going on in a lot of companies? Well, one thing is for sure, I'm going to be very, very careful not to be filmed by any Meta glasses. And I'm also probably going to be very careful using any of Meta's products going forward. I really, really don't want Mark Zuckerberg knowing what I am doing. One thing you could do for me is to subscribe to this channel if you find my content informative or nice. I'd really appreciate it. Thank you.